Learn how I made 1,200 USD on a crypto market by using open interest indicator. As you can see, I took short when price was 3.56 and I took beautiful drop, and after that price dropped even more. What was the reason behind that? I think the best it would be to see what I wrote in our community Friday 3rd of October. Main reason, you can see there was significant rise in open interest. Often after significant rise in open interest, of course, we have significant move. Plus, additionally, you can see it's super important where that open interest entered. You can see that most of that open interest entered exactly and in a higher part of a range. Plus, even here, we had injection of open interest with clear downward reaction. Additionally, you can see price stayed inside of this range for several days, and you can see each time we had significant rise in open interest when price reached a local range high. Additionally, you can see that open interest increased inside of this range by 14%. For repo, it's a lot. In coins, it was 116 millions worth of position, and most of that open interest you can see reached exactly in this higher part of this local range. Additionally, when you look for a significant move on based on open interest, it's so important where that open interest accumulate, because if it accumulates at significant support resistance area, it only accelerates that setup. And you can see that price, that open interest accumulate exactly at POC of this entire range. Plus, additional reason why I thought about short, I ask you to go down, follow me on my public Telegram. After that, I automatically will share with you my PDF manual about my trading strategy to understand how it works and also make money on a crypto market. You will get it automatically when you push follow me, my page on Telegram. Additional reason why I was bearish, because you can see before we had also several times significant rise in open interest, and each time we had beautiful downward reaction. That's a reason why I thought that this reaction also would be down, and that's a reason why on my TradingView page I recorded this update where I warn people that minimum 20% move is coming. It is minimum, but you can see in the end it was way bigger move. I think my biggest mistake in this trade was only one, that I closed it too early, because if I would keep this position a little bit longer as I planned, I would make in 3-4 times more with same minimal risk. That's why, my friends, to use open interest as a key support resistant area is vital to take significant trades. That's the reason why at this moment I prepared for you this powerful video lesson where I deeply explain to you my free strategies that I use with open interest. And if you like such a format of video, write a comment and I will do more updates about my trades.